Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. But look, it's going to be drinking, smoking, and swearing. You've been warned, so here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bye. Hello, everybody. Well, the show's way late. It's now 6:54 in the a.m. Apparently, I was hacked. Yeah, some fuckstick got me. He was running around in my Binance account. Thankfully, Binance has such good security. They didn't let him. He changed my passwords, everything. But they didn't let him transfer anything. And he got in my Coinbase account. Coinbase did change my password on him, and I don't know if they fucking let him take my shit out of there. So this happened yesterday. He was doing this at about 5 in the afternoon. About 8 in the afternoon, Binance is like, hey, you're trying to move money? I was like, what? I go, look, my passwords are changed and I can't get into my fucking shit. So I've been spending, that was about 8 o'clock last night. I've spent the whole morning since right now, about 6:30 till about 6:30. It's now 6:54. Fucking just trying to get my shit. So luckily, I logged into Binance. I did get to log in. I changed the password, logged back in. All my stuff was there. And thankfully, I had a Ledger Nano sitting here in my house. So I fucking finally, which I always preach to you guys about, I finally drained it. So I had $40,000 in Cardano, $40,000 worth. I had $40,000 worth of IOTA, and then a couple others, about 7 Gs of other shit. So obviously I took the Cardano and the IOTA, bang, took that off there. So that is safely in the ledger. But I've got about 110 Gs sitting on Coinbase. I don't think Coinbase's security is as good as Binance is. I think this guy got me. So, I mean, I didn't even look in the account. I just saw. So how I found out that this guy was doing this, I opened up my email and I just see all these. Well, first of all, what I did was, because I know how hackers are, right? They do stuff in your account and then they delete the stuff. So you can't tell what happened, right? So I go to my deleted folder. This guy was so stupid. He deleted them, but forgot to empty the trash. So I can see all the things that he did. He tried to take out money like 8 times from my Binance account. And I mean, the Coinbase seemed easy. He just, boop, 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 it said password changed. And then a little thing, and then something happened and it said password changed again. I think he's in because I went to go to my go in and I couldn't get in. So I just fucking shut down the account. So I don't even know what's happening there. I got about 110 Gs in Coinbase, or I did. But really what scares me about Coinbase is this motherfucker, my bank account is attached to it, and he can just transfer money out of my bank account into there, buy Bitcoin, and take off, right? So I'm waiting. I haven't even gone to bed yet. Like, I'm just so wound up. At 9 this morning, I'm going to be right at my bank, bright and early. Just say, if you have any transfers on file, yeah, you delete those. Delete those. Fuck, dudes, man. Fuck. I was an idiot. I went to this website. So stupid to open an account. It wouldn't let me open the account, so I just keep putting new passwords, another password. And you know what I do with my passwords is it's the same password, but I just change things about it, right? So I'll do a capital letter here. I'll do a punctuation mark there, but it's the same words, well, the same letters and numbers, but just either capitalized or not, or with a punctuation mark. Well, my dumbass, when I was signing up for that thing, I literally put like fucking 6 passwords because it wouldn't click. I kept saying create account, and it would just say try again. So I tried again, new password, create account, try it again, new password, try again. Wow, my dumbass, I basically put in all these variations of the passwords that I use. It's the same word, but just variations, right? Yeah, this motherfucker got right up in there, man. He got right up in my guts. I'm still scared right now. I mean, I'm going to do this show just because, well, I'm going to be awake anyway. Bank opens at 9, at 7 in the morning. So this will give me something to do while I wait. Yeah, guys. So there it is, man. You fucking put everything you have on ledgers. Ledger. And be careful of the sites you go to. So you've learned a lesson. All right, let's get to the show. So obviously, it's probably not going to be a very exciting show because I'm just wired and scared. I'm just a little scared right now. What the hell? Like, this guy, what if he just drained my bank account? That means the only money I will have in life is the cash I have around the house on hand and my crypto. All right, guys. So, lesson learned, though. Lesson learned. And there's an example for you, man. It can happen to anyone. It happened to me. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right. So let me get a sip. All right. So I'll tell you the stories while I'm having a sip. So, well, the other thing is this motherfucker probably has my address, right? He was from Seattle. When I logged into Binance, you can go to this thing. It's like, what is it called? Activities or something, like what happened in the account, like what you've done. And it shows all the times he kept trying to get the money out. And then he did something in Binance, like tried to get Binance to not use one of the security features. And Binance kept saying no, like kept denying him. I don't know. I guess he tried to override something or something. I don't know what. But they just kept denying him the money. So I went there, like literally right now, like right this second. I just finished uploading the IOTA. Not uploading. I don't know what you call it, but putting IOTA on that new wallet of theirs, which I had to do anyway. So I guess the guy kind of did me a favor in a way. Made me actually secure my money a little bit. But yeah, I'm worried about the Coinbase account and my real banking account. Now, I know my real bank, they'll give me the money back, right? I mean, banks give you your money back. Probably just got to fill out some forms and shit and something like this. But yeah, all my shit on Coinbase, man, I bet you he gobbled it up, man. Of course, as soon as he got into the account, what did he do? Fucking just transfer that shit, right? Unless Coinbase has a policy. It was kind of interesting when I went to Binance. They had a policy that if you change your password, you can't move money for 48 hours. But because I have all the authentication, like I did all the authentications, like, yeah, I want you to, like, before I can log in, I have to do something from my phone. And then I have to when I want to transfer money, I have to do a thing from my phone, a verify, they send you a verify text. I have to do the verify text from my email and the Google Authenticator. So that's a 3-layer authenticator. He couldn't do that. He couldn't get through. He tried and he tried. I mean, every fucking, for about an hour, it was like every 3 minutes, it just says, blah, 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 denied, da-da-da, denied. Someone's trying to transfer, da-da-da, denied, denied. And that's why I'm pretty sure he got my Coinbase shit. But, I mean, I blocked the account. I blocked the Coinbase account. They emailed me, said they're going to look into it and stuff. The bank I'm not kind of worried about because whenever you tell the bank, hey, I didn't do that, I usually just give your money back, right? So, and plus it takes a few days for money to transfer. Even though Coinbase lets you buy the stuff right away, the money doesn't actually get to Coinbase that second. And so, because I've done it before and Coinbase says, I bought some, actually, that half Bitcoin that I bought last year, when I bought it off rip. Like I just transferred the money and bought it right away, right? Instant. And they actually sent me an email later saying, your money still hasn't arrived, blah, blah, blah. And then they sent me an email saying, oh, your money's arrived. So that means that the orders are pending. So I hope when I go to my bank, there's a pending order. Yes, Mr. Clarke, I don't know, 20 grand is being shipped over to Coinbase. No, stop that. That was not me. Hopefully. But Coinbase, man, I'm pretty sure this motherfucker got me, dude. Guys. Fucking 100, I think I had between 109 and 120. I mean, it goes up and down all the time, right, as the market goes, so. Fuck. But, all right, so that's the story, guys. That's the fucking story. Actually, I wasn't really going to say anything, but I just figured, well, I better say something because I'm not in a fucking good mood, and so you guys are probably going to wonder, like, why is Shomari acting like that or something? Well, that's why. I got fucking taken. I got fished like an idiot, going to a phishing site, put in password after password after password. And this motherfucker and the problem is all my email accounts have those passwords that I logged into that thing, like that I put in. Let me get a sip, guys. That I put into. So all this guy did was go. Oh, did this password work? No. Oh, did this password work? No. Oh, did this password work? No. Did this password work? Bang! Ah, eureka. Yeah, even Microsoft, their account set in the email they sent a thing saying, Microsoft staff sees strange activity, right? So, anyways, yeah, that's it, man. So let me just sip nicely. I mean, I'm not really taking sips right now. I'm taking full gulps today. Well, actually, I don't take gulps because it hurts my throat. But I'll probably be sipping more often. But I mean, obviously the vast, vast, vast majority of my money is safe. If this guy gets me for the 100 G's from Coinbase, all right, well, you got me because I was stupid. I know better than that. No fucking better than that. So, all right, guys, so let's get to it. I just wanted to give you the synopsis there. Oh, and I guess what I should say is, so of the emails, I changed all my emails. Well, not the email, but just the passwords. And then I put the thing where you can't log in unless you send me some shit to my phone, right? To my phone number. Which I never did before because I was like, All right, guys. So don't let this happen to you, I guess is what I'm saying. And this is so bullshit. I mean, we're so close to the tsunami. All those coins on Coinbase, they were rising for over a year now. I've had them on there. Well, maybe not a year yet, but whenever I did my last purchase, what was that, October, when I bought the Bitcoin, Chainlink. I don't know, maybe some other crap is on there. I don't even know. All right, guys, so let's proceed now. So I want to tell you that, and just so you see if this happens to you, what you go through. And man, just change all your passwords on your shit and get all the authentication they offer you. Fuck. Yeah, get all the different authentications and phone verifications and Google Authenticator this and Authenticator that, man. Get it. Do it. Don't be lazy. And it's so funny. I used to preach about it. And like I always said, I used to say, and I believe me, now I'm really going to do it, is as soon as you buy that shit, you throw that motherfucker on a Ledger Nano, man. You throw that on a Ledger and bah! You're safe. So far tonight, so I guess, so this is the last piece. This is the last piece I'll tell you. I had 110,000 around there. Like I said, the price goes up and down depending on the day, obviously. And I had 80 something thousand on Binance. So, well, more actually. Yeah, about 89,000. So about 90 grand, but around 87. So I rescued 80 of it. So that was a good rescue mission right there. Chainlink to the rescue. Well, someone rescued it. I rescued it. I've got that on ledgers now, so fully safe. Now today comes finding out about Coinbase and did this guy drain my fucking bank account or what? Like I said, the banks are, you can work with them. You can tell them, like, look, Doc, I didn't do that. And they usually give you back your money. That's why, Shomari, why don't you want to be your own bank? This is why I don't want to be my own bank. You actually want your cryptocurrency in a bank account? Yes. Because if this happened, well, first of all, this wouldn't have happened. You can't hack my bank, can you? So, fuck. All right, guys. So that's what I've been going through since 8 o'clock this afternoon, and it's now 7:08 a.m. So for a good 11 hours. Fuck, for a while there, for the first 3 hours, I really didn't know what to do. I was just shitting my pants, really. Freaking out. Just closed the Coinbase and got all the fucking emails done up. And then the reason I'm here now at 7 in the morning, because about 4 this morning, I was like, fuck this. grabbed the ledger and just started, draining the Binance account. So saved 80 G's, but there's still 110 G's in danger. Not to mention a bank account with many, many G's in danger. So, pray for me, guys. Pray for me. All right. Let me get a sip and we'll start. All right. This time we really will start. I'll even bang it just to start. Bang! That's when I'm looking at my face right here because I can see my own face, obviously. This time I'm getting sad. All right. And bang. Whoops. Bang. All right, guys. All right. So let's do this. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but I mean, fuck. Losing $110,000? If I've lost it, which I'm pretty sure I fucking did. I mean, I'm sure the guy didn't sit there and look at the stuff. He drained it right away, I'm sure. All right, instantly. I don't know if maybe Coinbase, I mean, once these transactions are done, they're done. It's a blockchain. You can't get it back, right? See, and that's what I mean. Hey, Shomari, why do you want your stuff in a bank? Yeah, because the bank will get your money back, man. You get your money back. You get your shit back. I'm pretty sure what I'm going to hear today, or I don't know, whenever Coinbase contacts me is, well, Mr. Clarke, you should have been more careful. Yeah, what else are they going to say? Should have been more careful, buddy. All right, guys. I'm trying to take joy that I rescued the 80,000, though. I mean, I'm trying to sort of cheer myself up. It's not working. All right, Bitcoin, $56,742. Let's just do this thing. My bank opens in a couple hours, so by the time I do the show and upload it, I'll be right in there. Let me just get another sip. All right. And you know what yesterday was? My birthday. April 7th. It's my birthday. Oh, and thank you, Spy Lady and Snips, bang, for giving me a happy birthday. And then it turned into a fucking tragedy. All right, guys, price of Bitcoin. $56,742. When I left you, what was that, yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. We were at 57,000. Oh, and some of you made the millionaire thing. We'll do that another time. I got to be in a good mood for that. I'm not in the mood for that right now. But bang, guys, and you know who you are. And don't worry, I've got your names written down. I'm gonna do a. I'll tell you right now, if things work out with this and everything works out, I'll really be banging in here. All right, guys, and yesterday, $57,549 was the price of Bitcoin. So we've gone down $807. All right, top 10 usual suspects. Whoa, what the fuck just happened all there? What happened all there like that? Hold on a second, guys. My shit's all fucked. Anyway, this is the story we're going to read, but why is it doing this? What just happened? Hold on, guys. Just wait. Oh, today is just a... Why isn't it not going back? All right. Anyways, I'll just read it from here then. Fuck it. You can still see it, can't you? Can you? Hold on. Let me see if you can see that. Oh, you can't even see it. Hold on. Shit. All right, hold on. Let me pause the video and fix it up, and I'll be right back. Bang! All right. All right. We got it done now. We're ready. All right, so let's proceed how we usually do. Top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, XRP, Cardano, Polkadot, Uniswap, Litecoin, and Chainlink. Market moves of the day. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. IOTA up 12%. Wow. Glad I rescued that shit an hour ago. Actually, a little silver lining is I had to get that new IOTA wallet thing, and IOTA is doing that token swap thing later this month. So now my shit's ready to be swapped. All right. Single this up, single this down. I'm trying to find silver linings here. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but really I'm scared about my bank account, right? My bank account, 100 grand on Coinbase, fine, you can have it, fuckstick. You won, you beat me. But my bank account now, shit. That's a whole other ball game. That's racks on racks on racks. Know what I mean? All right, let's stop talking about it. Look, single this up, single this down. All right, let's see who lost money today. Shomari did. Well, not officially yet, but I'm pretty sure he drained that fucking Coinbase account. I'm pretty fucking sure. All right, top 10 losers. Shomari, Bitcoin Gold, Theta, OMG, Helium, Qtum, Ontology, Dash, EOS Synthetics, and... Whoa, how do we get all the way down here? Synthetics and Waves. Let's see who made money today. You guys. All right, top 10 gainers. WazerX, Engine Coin, 1inch, Harmony, PancakeSwap, Stacks, Anchor, Solana, CoinFlux Network, and Arweave. All right, let's see what the total market cap is. Oh, still not over 2 trillion. Fuck. All right. $1.908 trillion. When I left you yesterday, we're at $1.972 trillion. We've gone down $64 trillion. Oh, sorry. $0.064 trillion. Let's see what the 24-hour volume is. 190.1. And when I left you yesterday, we're at 208.9. So we've gone down. What's that? $18 billion. Look. All right. Let's keep it moving. Let's get to the stories. All right. Let me just get a sip and just fuck. I mean, it's not even working. Right now, I'm shaking inside. Hey, I'm, for 2 reasons. I'm supremely angry that there's some fucker who's fucking with me. And I'm also scared shitless that, well, between my real bank account and Coinbase, that is quite a chunk of change. Oh. And I know this guy's hungry. You know he's hungry. He saw what was in those accounts, the Binance and the Coinbase. That's almost $250,000. Right? He almost got away with $250,000 off of me. In fact, he might still get away with $110,000 right now. Fuck stick. So all right though, so hold on, let me get a sip. Oh, so Jump Trading invest in sports fan token ecosystem Chiliz. So like I said, guys, I didn't really do any fucking research tonight. Usually I'm doing the research around 7, 8 o'clock. That's when I discovered I got took. So I haven't really done any research. I just look for revenue generating product to talk to you about. But oh yeah, brothers. Even during shit like this, remember this, Shomari's always on duty. It's always about that dollar bill, y'all. I'm just not in a happy way today, but still making this loot. So let's go. Fucking stupid. And you know, I had this Ledger Nano sitting here. It's actually been sitting here for 2 months. You guys know how I do it. I get my money. I mean, I buy crypto, and then I throw it on a ledger, and then I put the ledgers in a safety deposit box at my bank, right? So they're not even here. But 2 months ago, I was like, I'm gonna start buying some shit, and So I grabbed one of them. I grabbed the ledger. I think I had to do something for VeChain or something too on it or something like that. For one of the coins anyways, right? I had to do something. And so I had it here, so thankfully for that, but fuck. All right, guys. All right, let me get a sip. Yeah, it's been 10 sips since the beginning of the show already, huh? Yeah. All right. Blockchain-based sports platform, Chiliz. Oh, and you know what else this motherfucker did? He opened a Bittrex account in my name. And so that's what I think happened. I think he got in my Coinbase, opened a Bittrex account in my name, and I bet you all my shit is sitting right over there on Bittrex right now. Actually, what I should do is sign into Bittrex. Well, just say, oh, yeah, I lost my password because he's probably using one of my email accounts for it. Actually, that's not true. He's probably just using his own. Oh, no, you have to sign up with mine. Yeah, he's probably using one of mine, but he's probably switched it already anyway. Fuck. All right, guys, let's just go. Blockchain-based sports platform Chiliz has sealed an investment of an undisclosed amount from Chicago-based trading firm Jump Trading LLC. Jump Trading, a proprietary trading firm founded 20 years ago by Chicago Futures Pitts veteran Bill DeSama and Paul Gurinas, has been engaged for some time in the cryptocurrency space, alongside its wider activities in global futures, options, and equities markets. The firm specializes in algorithmic and high-frequency trading high-frequency trading strategies, and has reportedly been market making for Chiliz tokens since early 2021. They're market makers for it. What's that? Providing liquidity. Chiliz' year so far has been a bullish one, with its native token, Chiliz, hitting all-time highs in the spring of this year, and many of its associated sports club fan tokens seeing major gains during the same period. Speaking to Cointelegraph, Chiliz CEO Alexander Dreyfus said, the support of Jump trading into the Chiliz and fan tokens ecosystem is a recognition for the sports crypto space. Absolutely. It is also an interesting move, as we firmly believe that fan tokens are a much, much bigger market than NFTs and digital sports collectibles. That's interesting. I could see that. Like I said, I mean, you have hundreds of sports leagues around the world, and so you got thousands of teams you could sign up. Anyway, man. Fuck, I don't even have the wherewithal for some yap right now. Anyways, Dreyfus said that Chiliz is focusing on building out the technology platform and providing utility for sports fan token holders through its consumer-facing Socios.com mobile application. Having support of Jump Trading for the liquidity and network effect of our marketplace is definitely a big upside. Their expertise and resources will help us and clubs to grow this industry globally, as it is a global game. It's a global game. Right, globally, exactly. As long as there's sports teams, I mean, sign them up. So this year, as well as onboarding, so working product actually being used. This year, as well as onboarding new club partners such as FC Barcelona, AC Milan, and Manchester City, Chiliz revealed plans for a $50 million expansion to set up an office in New York, an attempt to forge ties with North American League and leagues and sports franchises. The company has also joined forces in a long-term strategic partnership with cryptocurrency exchange Binance. And Binance, I love you! This motherfucker, he tried 10 fucking times. Binance let him change the password. They let him change the password. That was the first thing right there. Password changed. I should actually show it to you guys. You guys want to see this? Watch what I'll show you. Watch, I'll show you what this guy did. One second. I'll show you what this motherfucker did. In fact, he's probably still doing shit right now to my accounts. Motherfucker's probably changing my passwords as I speak. He's from Seattle. Oh, I didn't tell you that. I can see where, oh, I did say that, right? Binance shows you what IP addresses and where you're from, where the people were from, where the person's from. Yeah, they showed me this motherfucker's from Seattle. Hold on, I'll show you. Yeah, why not? You'll get an insider view. Fuck this. Hold on a second, guys. All right, so here's my... Did he just delete everything in here or something? Hold on. Maybe make sure I'm in my right account. Oh, all right, hold on. Ha! No, I'm not. 1 second. But I was going to show you just so you see it, all right? You see how these fuckers do it. All right, let me sign out of here. Yeah, this guy made it change my password again already on me. All right. And we'll sign in. All right. Don't bother emailing me. I don't answer them. just in case you're sitting there like, oh, that's Shomari's email. It is, but I don't answer it. All right. Oh, I'm in. Okay. All right, so watch this. Yeah, this motherfucker right here. So I found out. So around 7:30 last night is when I found out. So you can see this email here. Well, I'll just show it to you. Coinbase. Hello, thanks for submitting your request to Coinbase. We're here to help, and we'll stay in touch as soon as possible. And then they sent me this other. All right, that's not the email. So I sent them a thing. Cannot access my account. So they told me blah 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 blah. I just told them to shut the fucking thing down. Shut it down. And then watch this. This guy deleted. Watch what he did. Look at all these Binance. So this isn't me. This is this guy. This motherfucker. Look what he did. So on Tuesday at 5:07 is when he started. Binance request to reset password. Successful password reset. You see right here? Successful password reset. Then login attempted from blah, blah, blah. That's his IP address. 198.54.131.77. Actually, what I was thinking of doing, I mean, what am I going to do? I was thinking, man, maybe I'll hack this motherfucker. You know, do some old school shit like when I was a kid. So anyways, you see what he did? And then you see what he says? It says request to security or to reset security items. And then he does another one, request to reset security items. Okay, and then that's that. But then Bittrex, he says reset Bittrex password. And then Bittrex says to me, well, thinking me, but it's him, but it's like, did you, wait, look, I'll even show you. Did you try to log in? Dear Pip Bandit, did you try to log in to your Bittrex account? Right, and then it shows a little bit about him. Well, not about him, but about the system and everything. But I don't use Bittrex, so I think what he did, I don't know what Bittrex did, but well, look at the Binance. Authorize new device. So this guy got a new device authorized for himself. See the address? 198.54.133.177 or 77. See the address down here? 198.54.131.77. So he actually got authorization for a new device. And then he said, and then he tried to reset some security feature, and it says reset unsuccessful. And then it says he requested again, 198.54.131.77. His IP address. Request for reset. Request And then again, another request. And see how fast he's doing it? Like this guy, it was like every minute. And then it says, Binance said, no, unsuccessful. I love you, Binance. I'm so upset that you left us in America like this, you motherfuckers. So reset, unsuccessful. So he tries again. Reset security. Reset security thing. Item reset, unsuccessful. Request security. Request security, unsuccessful. So that was all in the span of, he started this bullshit at 5:07. Look at all these requests. He was working on this for a good hour. And then finally at 6:05, looks like he gave up. Looks like he gave the fuck up. But watch what he did with my Coinbase. So here's Coinbase. This was on Tuesday, so yesterday at 5. Again, like around the same time when he started with my Binance shit. And you can see that Microsoft says, Microsoft account, unusual sign-in activity. So they realize something's going on, right? But why you letting the motherfucker sign in then, fuckstick? So let's start from the beginning. Microsoft account password change. So he changed my password on me. Then he reset the password at Coinbase. Then Microsoft noticed some unusual shit. And so he does another reset. And then he did again. I don't know why again, but he did my password again. He reset it again. Hold on, let me take a look at it. Oh, it's not showing it to us. And then at 5:13, password has been changed. Coinbase changed it. I think he just drained that motherfucker because I didn't find out till later in the night. Well, a couple hours later. Well, and it doesn't take a couple hours to fucking just cut and paste some fucking what do you call these things? And so here's, did I show you this already? So anyways, I did show you that already. All right. The Coinbase side, I sent them that at like 7:34. He was in my Coinbase account at 5:05, right? Nah, my shit's probably gone. He probably got me. Oh, and then here's me now. Oh yeah, you fuckstick. So here's me, starting at about 1 this morning, 1:28 this morning. All right, well, I'll show you what I did today then. Fuck it. That's what he did. I'll show you what I did. Reset my Coinbase password. And then I tried again, but somehow it didn't work or something like. All right, and that was at 7. That was around 8 o'clock at night. And so this is me now, 184.164.189.114. That's me. So Binance, password changed, bang, that's me. So Binance login attempted from 184.164.189.114. That's me. Security alert. And then I got some security alert for something. Oh, I was changing my password. So I was changing all my passwords. And so here's me at 1 this morning. I was going to do the show, and I was like, fuck the show. I got to get this money off of here. Because the other thing I didn't, I was a little nervous because I'm from America. And I was like, yo, Binance isn't going to let us get this loot, dog. They're not going to let us get this, because I'm American. But I think DP Entertainment, he said he was getting his stuff off of Binance, right? So I was kind of confident. He did it like last week or a couple weeks ago even. Well, a long time ago, but then I think he still did it the other day. He just wasn't allowed to put money on to trade, but he could still move stuff off, right? So this is what I did. At 1:29, yeah, well, I requested a fucking withdrawal, motherfucker. Yeah, withdraw. Look! Of some Cardano. Actually, maybe I shouldn't open these with the addresses right there like that. Requested withdrawal. And it fucked up. Oh, so actually that address doesn't matter because that was a throwaway address. So I tried it again, and then, bang, withdrawal successful. So what I do when I withdraw things is I take out, so with Cardano, I had, I don't know, like I said, I had a lot of them. So I just moved 10 first. Once it was successful, all right, bang, then I moved the rest. And then, well, as you can see, I requested another withdrawal. This was for the IOTA. Again, same sort of scenario. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. This new request was the rest of the Cardano that I had in there. So, bang, withdrawal request. Got you, fuckstick. So that's 40 grand I got back. Got back 40G. Because I had 40G of Cardano. Around there. And then withdrawal request. That was for the IOTA. Bang! Withdrawal successful. So that's how my night's been. That's how my night's been. So he can go play around in there all he wants. He can go play around in there all he wants now. All right, so let's get back to our show, though. And let me log out just in case of any shenanigans. But daggone, you see that shit? You see how he kept trying and trying and trying? Binance is the shit. Binance was like, nah, dog. Nah, dog. You ain't getting this. You ain't getting this. Oh, Binance, man. You're the best. You're the best, Binance. The best. All right. Okay, so that's how it went down. Yeah, the guy kept trying and trying, and so Binance dissed him, and so fucking I went in this morning, and that's what I've been doing for the past couple hours, is just taking the money out. Okay, so Chiliz. All right, so look, Chiliz. All right. Chiliz. They got a new investor. They're here in America. They're going to obviously try to sign up all the best teams that we have here. That's how they do. Sorry, man. Hold on. Let me look. Oh, that. All right. All right. So that's how they do. And so all right. And so Chiliz, dog, if you're a Chiliz hodler. Bang, Chiliz hodlers. Good for you. If this now I might have to invest in some of this really cheap dog shit to make that money back, daggone. If this guy got away with that. Fuck. Well, what are these? A bunch of people in my my chat. They're investing in some really crazy crazy stuff. I might have to do that. Try to make this money back. All right. Some shit that's like 0.00007. All right. Try to get it to a penny. Fuck this motherfucker. Let's go. Bye, Cardano. Unveils the first deployment of its supply chain solution with Swiss company. I'll tell you right now. That Cardano and that IOTA, though. Fuck, I got to save it, man. I got to save that shit. Working product, baby. Working. Well, I mean, that's all I own, but. Bang! So, Cardano Foundation unveils first deployment of its supply chain solution with Swiss company ScanTrust. All right. Let me get a sip. So that's amazing. Man, there's something I was going to yap today, man. I had some yap for you. I'll do it tomorrow, but anyway, man, supply chain solution, so big, big stuff, supply chains. All right, let's just move on. That motherfucker. So, the Cardano Foundation an independent Swiss nonprofit organization that oversees and monitors the further development of Cardano and its ecosystem, yesterday announced the rollout of a supply chain traceability and anti-counterfeiting solution, together with Swiss-based ScanTrust. The technical foundation is the metadata functionality introduced in December 2020, which is now being used for commercial purposes for the first time. So this is made possible by the development of an authentication and verification solution. Oh, Coinbase, man, I hope your fucking authentication shit worked. You know what, to tell you the truth, I don't think I put on two-factor authentication and shit on my Coinbase. I was like, it's American, it's good. Yeah, unfortunately, it's the user that was the idiot, not the website this time. It was my fault. So look, this is made possible by the development of authentication and verification solution. That allows the Cardano blockchain to be used as a public audit platform for securely recording supply chain data, validating product provenance, and verifying the companies involved in the supply chain. So it's pretty comprehensive. First for Cardano. ScanTrust, which the Cardano Foundation partnered with at the World Economic Forum in January 2020, plays a central role. The company provides a platform for connected goods and products that Fortune 500 companies and small to medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, in more than 168 countries around the world use as part of digitization for brand protection, supply chain traceability, and consumer engagement. Sounds kind of like VeChain, right? The joint Cardano and ScanTrust solution enables brand owners to leverage the traceability and targeted data capabilities of ScanTrust's physical secure QR codes, along with the speed and low cost of Cardano blockchain for supply chain traceability and anti-counterfeiting use cases. An initial proof of concept implementation was tested with Bias Wine, a Georgian artisanal. All right, so this thing's tested and rocking and rolling. A Georgian artisanal wine producer. Oh, so fancy pants wine. That exports its product to dozens of countries. For this, the application combines the patented process of ScanTrust QR codes on Bias wine bottles with metadata on the Cardano blockchain. Yeah, it's exactly the same thing as VeChain. Remarkably, the Cardano Foundation noted that the solution could be used in the future for more complex international supply chain issues for Unilever, ExxonMobil, Remy Cointreau, DuPont, and Syngenta, among others. The Cardano Metadata Connector, developed by the Cardano Foundation, is a promising technology that has the potential to benefit such clients toward cutting costs, increasing operational efficiency and transparency in the supply chain tracking industry, and providing a basis for direct consumer engagement, the announcement said. Nathan Anderson, CEO of ScanTrust, said, by leveraging ScanTrust connected goods platform and a seamless integration with Cardano's transactional metadata, brand owners can provide consumers with transparent, easy access to the complete origin story of the product in their hands and enhance confidence in what they're buying. A key added benefit from an operational scalability perspective is that Cardano Foundation's metadata connector enables the use of the highly decentralized Cardano blockchain without high fees. This makes it well suited for high throughput supply chain tracking applications. So look, there you go. It's cheap to use. It's going to do all the stuff. Bang! Cardano hodlers, bang! I'm glad I'm still one. Save those motherfuckers. I was like, fuck this. Let me just see if Binance will let me move this stuff. And they did. So that was good. That was good. Bang! Oh, well, fuck me. Forget about my thing. So, Cardano hodlers. Cardano's getting into the supply chain game. I think they said they're going to even maybe do some... Did they say NFT shit? I don't know. But a bunch of new shit they said they're going to do lately. And, we'll see. Let's move on. Bang! Grayscale reveals intentions to convert the firm's Bitcoin trust into, bang, an ETF. An E-fucking-T-F. So, you know, around these parts here in America, we haven't gotten an ETF yet. Waiting for Gary Gensler. I mean, what the fuck's taking so long? I mean, they already I think they've already said, yeah, he's going to be the guy. They just have to take the vote in the Senate and then actually swear him in, right? I don't know what's taking so long. All right, but it'll be when it be, and it is what it is. Let me get a sip. All right, y'all. So, on Monday, the digital currency asset manager, Grayscale Investments, announced intentions to file for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. Bang! When permissible. What do you mean when permissible? You're allowed to file for it whenever you want. That's a weird word to use, right? Filing for an ETF, anyone, you can do that anytime. It's not about permission. It's unless they're trying to say, well, we're going to wait to see if other guys get approved first. If they do, all right, then we'll do it. Because like I've told you before, an ETF, to apply for an ETF, it's not just one little piece of paper and you just hand it into the SEC. You have to have these super special lawyers, man, who know all about markets, who know all about every little rule. Of what you're building. Like, I'll just tell you right now, an ETF application probably cost about $10 million to just make. Like, these are not just regular lawyers. These are, these guys make like fucking 10 grand an hour. Yeah, they're so specialized, right? I mean, they're so specialized. Just doing an ETF ain't nothing. So, and so I guess that's why they're waiting for this when permissible word, because it's permissible to file anything you want with the SEC if you want to. Whether you're going to get it or not, that's the problem. But it's not when permissible. I think so. When they say that when permissible thing, I think Grayscale is going to sort of hang back, and just see what happens with the Winklevoss kids. What happens with who else was it? There was a few. Van Eck, I think. I don't remember, but and then they're going to do it. All right, so let's look. Let's go. The subsidiary of Digital Currency Group, DCG, says in regards to its crypto trust products that it's always been the company's intention to convert these products into an ETF. Oh, so they always wanted it into an ETF. Transforming Grayscale's $34 billion Bitcoin trust into an exchange-traded fund. It looks like Grayscale Investments is planning to join the race of firms looking to launch an exchange-traded fund in the United States. Grayscale announced intentions for a Bitcoin ETF on April 5th, 2021, by leveraging the company's blog. Established in 2013, Grayscale Investments launched the firm's Bitcoin trust, and today GBTC has $34 billion in assets under management. Grayscale also offers a number of other publicly traded crypto products, and the business is the world's largest asset manager for digital currencies. Asset managers. Remember I told you about asset managers. In recent months, there's been a growing number of questions around the possibility of a Bitcoin ETF in the U.S., and we'd like to take the opportunity to provide clarity and context on what such a development would mean at Grayscale and for Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. The company's announcement details. First and foremost, we wish to make clear we are 100% committed to converting GBTC into an ETF. So, they're going to do it. They are going to do this. Grayscale notes that it is only a natural progression for GBTC to proceed this way, as it was the first publicly traded Bitcoin fund in the U.S., and it also was able to convert the fund into an SEC reporting company. These were each groundbreaking achievements and brought greater transparency, regulatory clarity, and reporting standards for the investment community, Grayscale said. Grayscale is committed to converting GBTC into an ETF. The company also discussed when it applied for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund back in 2016 and had a lot of conversations with the US SEC. Ultimately, we withdrew our application because we believed the regulatory environment for digital assets had not advanced to the point where such a product could successfully be brought to market, Grayscale said, reminiscing about the experience. Today, we remain committed to converting GBTC into an ETF, although the timing will be driven by the regulatory environment. So, see, that's what I think. I think they're just waiting to see if anyone else gets approved, and then they'll just do it. Like I said, it's a copycat world, right? Like, why should I apply? I'll just wait for that guy to apply, and if he gets approved, well, I'll just do the same thing, right? So when GBT converts to an ETF, shareholders of publicly traded GBT shares will not need to take action, and the management fee will be reduced accordingly. So look, there it is. A new regulated investment vehicle. Grayscale's trying to do, and that is great. So let's move on. Bye. Well, we got Miguel G. Started his account just to follow me. Learn with the brother. Bye. Justin DeLavina. Learn with the brother. Bye. Cryptomaniac followed me. I talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and opportunities in the cryptocurrency industry. The industry is full of opportunities that can make you money. Absolutely. Absolutely. Just don't be a dumbass and lose it. Learn with the bye. Huck. Grunchtable. Learn with the bye. Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Learn with the bye. Stock that warehouse, Piggy Wig Ape. You know how we do around these parts. Look. Stock and keep it safe, Piggy Wig Ape. Bang. Boom. Keep your portfolio safe, and everything on a ledger in your account will be boom. Act like a dumbass, and you'll find out that your account is like boom in a bad way. So look, that's how it goes, fuck sticks. Boom. Be fucking careful. Be fucking careful. Be fucking careful. Bang. Love you, Kong. Simple trade. Like to tweet. All right. Let me see the bang. All right. That's just a guy who likes to tweet. Biniam. Yes, Biniam. What's up? First of all, everybody see the bang. Wyoming legalized online sports betting on Monday. Oh, they did. Now, that's pretty wild. America, they don't like that gambling shit around here. Right? It's not like in Britain. Right? There's a fucking million. Bet 360 and all this. Americans don't really do that. I mean, they'll do it in Vegas, but it's not sort of a cultural thing, right? All right, well, good stuff. I mean, what does that have to do with crypto, though? Hold on, let's read the bottom part. Wyoming's new online sports betting law okays crypto wagers. Oh, okay, so that's what it's about. They're going to let you bet your crypto. Oh, you don't want to be doing that. You want to be hodling it. Look carefully and let it grow. Bang! Pittsburgh liked 38s of my tweets. Gosh. That's dedication, brother. That's dedication. Oh, here he is. Pittsburgh. All right. Lever the sea brother. Pittsburgh. Lever the sea brother. Bang. D liked my tweet. Lever the sea brother. Video games enthusiast, a book reader. I dabble in crypto. Lever the sea brother. Bang. Edwin. Oh, seeing Edwin makes me a little happy. One of the originals. Lever the sea brother. Bang. And you trained your what do you call them? Your minions. Yeah. You train those minions well and do not let them do what I did. Bang. Lever the sea brother. Bang. The original. Crazy Edwin. Van Breeden. Van Breeden. Lever the sea brother. And Kitty Van Breeden. Bang. All right. Victor, new to Twitter. Been following you on YouTube for some time. Love the energy and the great insight. Bang, bang. Wow. Sorry about my energy tonight, brother, but Look, we'll be back. We'll be back once I assess the damage. Today, in about an hour. Larry by the Sea Brother, bang! Justin Vera followed me. Larry by the Sea Brother, bang! And Benny Rockwell followed me. Mercenary for hire, unrestricted free agent, show me the money, NC, DJ, show host, radio personality, actor. Larry by the Sea Brother, bang! Radster, 1975, holding down the insurgency in Prague, in Europe. Larry by the Sea Brother, bang! And here are the rest of the band of miscreants. Chippy Vizo and the Vizo tribe, the Paskuyaki tribe. Larry by the Sea Brother, V-Chain Master. Oh, I sure could use some of your tool masterness tonight. Oh, yeah. Holy, if I saw that motherfucker. Good thing that fuckstick is in Seattle. All right, I'm not even going to talk about it. Look, Chief Vizo, Larry by the Sea Brother, bang! Sunny Bee, Spy Lady, thank you for wishing me a happy birthday. Love you, lady, see you, lady. Bang! And drop off, son of a bitch. Bang! 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 Got you wrong, cash. Yes. It's like this fucker got me. But in a different way, because I love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang! Node savior, bang! And that's one thing. That motherfucker didn't get near my V-chain, baby. And that's what's going to make me the millions. So that's what makes me a little happy. I got millions of those bad boys. And, yeah. Hold on. Let me pause this video. I'm starting to feel a little happy now. Well, not happy, but the fuel's kicking in. I didn't drink a drop. I didn't drink a drop till this show right now. Fuel is a fun thing for me. Right? When I drink fuel, it's because I'm having fun. Yeah. What I was going through was not fun. I'll be right back, guys. Let me refuel. Let me re-up the bottle. But, all right, we're back. All right, one more hour till the fucking bank opens. Let's go. All right, where were we? So, Node Savior, love you, brother, see you, brother, bang. Don't worry, I still got enough money to see you. Oh, that's what I was talking about, the V-chain. Yeah, that fucker didn't get near my V-chain, daggone. Did not get near my V-chain. Oh, it's going to make me millions. Or my IOTA. Bang! Or my Cardano. Bang! I got to say, on my Coinbase, he probably got my chain link. Probably got half a Bitcoin. I had lots of Ethereum on there, man. Fuck. I kept them on there because I was just going to be like, all right, well, Ethereum's doing this upgrade thing, and Coinbase will probably just upgrade my tokens for me, right? So it's like, all right, just leave it there. Fuck. All right, technically bullish. Lever with the sea, brother. Bang! All right, let me get a sip. Lorna. All in downs. And girl, you were all in. I hope you have this shit on some Ledger Nanos. Because she said, look, fuck sticks, I love the crypto. Bah! I'm all in. That's how she did it. That's how she's doing it. There, but the sheep with a bang. Actually, what I'm hoping is, at least my bank gives me my money back. I'll just buy that shit back. I don't give a fuck. Well, I give a fuck. Because I'm buying it at this way higher price now, but I mean, that'll be some solace. All right, DJ Pollywood. Larry with the sheep with a bang. We did Biniam Grinchable. Robbie Hardaway, Larry with the sheep with a bang. Andrew Richada, Larry with the sheep with a bang. Deep Entertainment, so brother. Larry with the sheep with a bang. Ah, so member of the Goody Room. Don't worry, guys. I'll give you your membership tomorrow. Don't worry, you guys who made the millions. I know who you are. I got it written down. I wrote your names down, so don't worry. You get your membership tomorrow. Well, that's everybody, man. That's the whole crew. Who's this guy? Litecoin boat. All right. What's this thing say? Ignite the first LTC, Litecoin fam. Litecoin Nation, pay with Litecoin, blah, blah, blah. Litecoin loves Litecoin. All right, love the with the boy. All right, let's get back to the... Holy, I don't even like to say the word because it happened to me. Let's get back to the fucking... Death Star. Let's get back to the fucking Death Star. Fuck, can you believe it? That go. All right. Well, I tell you right now, I swear right now, I'm gonna go buy. If this guy got my Coinbase shit, as long as my money is still in my bank or I get the money back, I'm gonna buy some Ledger Nanos. A fucking army of them, like 5 of them. Holy. And actually, I'm gonna keep them here. Well, I'm not loaded. I'm not gonna keep them in here when they're loaded, but I'm gonna keep them here. Instantaneous. And I guess what I have to do is, so what's your solution, Shomari? What you gonna do about this? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up new email accounts. Binance International, I'm not allowed to use that anyway. They let me take the money off, but I'm not allowed to do stuff on it. So that's nothing. Yeah, I'm going to change my emails and just shut them down, actually. I'm probably not going to change them. I'm going to make, I have 3 email accounts. One for this crypto blockchain news for the show. One for just, since I've been, I've had it forever. Since I was a Forex trader. I've had it since Hotmail ever came out. I've had it for like, what was that, 20 years? Yeah, literally that account that you saw me just look into, I've had that fucker for like 20 years. I have shit on there that I'm like, oh yeah, I was doing that way back in the days. So yeah, I'm just going to probably close that. And I have another Gmail account, close that, and just start fresh. Bang, 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 new accounts. That's all I can do. And just hope that Coinbase, I don't know, man. I think the guy got the money. I think he got it. Right? Because, once you're in, well, you just start on a transferring rampage, right? You just start transferring like a... You just transfer. He took it. But he was in my Coinbase account at... Did I leave this open? I didn't leave it open. But he was in my Coinbase account at like 5 in the afternoon. I'm sure he didn't waste time. I'm sure by 5:30 all my shit was gone. So we'll see. I don't know if there's recovery or something. They can't, though. It's immutable. It's it. So, but that's the solution. So what are you going to do about this, Shomari? What's your solution to this, Shomari? Yeah, just change my accounts. Well, I can guarantee you I'm going to start trading right now. I'm going to get back into Forex and just whoop some ass real quick because I need money, dog. I don't need money, but if a guy's going to take 100G from me, well, I got to go. So I'm going to have to whoop some ass. Fuck Gary Gensler. I'm going to get in there and just whoop that ass now. I need to replace this money. Well, these assets. Fuck. Man, the Ethereum one is the killer. I had so many of those. So many. I don't know, like 30, 50 of them. I don't even know. Fuck! Well, you got to just suck it up. Find new investment opportunities. So what I'm probably going to... So what are you going to do, Shomari? So what I'm going to probably do now is... Obviously, I always invest in working product. But I'm a little desperate. I'm desperate to... Not desperate. That's not the word, but... I want to recoup these losses. All right, so what I might do is... Some of this dog shit that some of these guys are showing me out here, that's super dirt cheap. Yeah, I might throw some chicken at it and try to make up my losses with, just garbage coins. Coins I would never buy them, but like I've told you, everything in this space is going to make money when the tsunami arrived. So at the beginning, because it's going to be like the .com bubble, everything made money. And so I'll recoup those losses, but fuck, shit, damn. Fuck, shit, damn. All right, so we're talking about the show, though. Dag on. I'm sitting here preaching to you like I'm talking to a psychiatrist. All right, guys, so jump trading. Invest in Chiliz. Y'all know about Chiliz, fan tokens. They just moved over here to America. What did they get? They got, right? They got offices in Houston, or sorry, somewhere in Texas. I don't remember what it was. Like, it wasn't Houston or Dallas. It was like the next one, right? There's Houston, Dallas, and then, like, I think it was like El Paso or something like that. Like, what the fuck are you moving there for? But anyway, they're here in America, and their product works. The fans love it. And, well, not only here, but around the world, there's thousands and thousands of sports teams. And so, which means millions, actually billions of fans, right? So that's a good chunk of people to service. And, well, a good working product. Chiliz, has onboarded the best soccer teams in Europe so far. Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, Juventus. The best of the best. You know, the best of the best. The elite. Let's get real. The elite. And so, that's how that's going to go down. So, Chiliz hodlers, bang! Then, Cardano unveils supply chain solution. So, you know, what I've been realizing, I haven't really read to you about these Cardano things because, you know, I read onboardings. I don't really read upgrade stories. I have a few times, but we don't really read those. But tonight I really just don't give a fuck. So you're hearing an upgrade story. But also, to tell you the truth, I've been reading about Cardano and what they're doing with that blockchain now. In terms of the new features that are on it. I don't remember right now. My brain is fucked right now, guys. But I think I think NFTs are going to be on that shit, is what I heard. And if I remember correctly, right? Either smart contracts, DApp, something like this, or both. I don't even remember. It might have been both. So they're becoming a fully. So all right, let me just try to say something. So they're trying to be a robust. Right, a really robust blockchain, like with just all the bells and whistles, you know, all the bells and whistles. And there was even some shit today that I read about them doing something to be regulatory compliant before this fiasco. And I'll go dig it up again, maybe, or something like that. And so, but anyway, Cardano hodlers. Yeah, Cardano's growing. Great stuff. So, bang! And then finally, Grayscale says it's going for the Bitcoin ETF. Right? He said, we're 100% in. Right? He said, we're 100% doing it. Like, it's not a question. We're doing it. And so, but you see how he's doing it, or how they are doing it. Oh. You see how they're doing it is basically sort of waiting to see if anyone else gets approved, which is sort of shocking. Why would you take the chance that a bunch of guys get approved before you, right? You want to be first, like you guys are in my comments, first. So I don't understand that concept, but I guess when you're Grayscale and you have so much Bitcoin, I mean, I guess you can wait or something. I don't know. I don't know what that's about. It seems a little silly because if other people get an ETF, right, well, they're just all over E-Trade and everything, and then you're coming later, you know. So I don't know, man, but they're doing what they're doing. They're doing it how they plan to do it. It is what it is, and that's how it be. All right, guys. So, on that note, let's shill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. Greatest show on earth, greatest show in the multiverse. My name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang, love talking crypto. Bang. It's the favorite time of my day. And so I'll see you tomorrow for another fun fact crypto-filled day of crypto. So subscribe here, press the bell. Watch that video there. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name is Shomari Clarke. I'm always watching the money. Apparently now I'm losing it. Fuck. But I love you guys. Wait, hold on. I can't leave you on a bad note. So everyone, I hope, look, 100 grand. Don't worry about it, man. I got more grands. I mean, I'm worrying about it, but there's more. So you take a hit and you keep living, you know? It's like boxing. Bang, bang. Hey, you take an uppercut. Boom. Only you get staggered a little bit. All right? You're flopping around the arena a little bit. But then you regain your senses. Actually, thanks. You know, and I want to thank all of you right now. Doing this show has cheered me up a little bit. Well, and the fuel. It's morely fuel, but also just talking about money and stuff. It cheers me up. And I don't know. We'll see. I'll give you an update on the damage. The damage I've sustained. And but we're still in here fighting. Oh, yeah. Shomari doesn't go down that easily, fucks. I am a murderer, buddy. Look! You might have got away with that 100G. And I hope you fucking enjoy it. Because you know what? Just like every worker bee, when they get a bunch of money, they go bankrupt in 5 years. So you're going to spend that money. You're going to spend it. You're going to be a dumbass. You're going to buy yourself a nice car. You're going to spend it on hookers and blow. You're a dumb fuck. You're a dumb fuck. And that money's not going to last you long because you're not smart money. You're dumb money. And, buddy, I hope you enjoy it. And go fuck yourself. All right, so on that note, let's do this again. Subscribe here, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. Bang! Greatest show in the multiverse. Still is, you know, still the greatest show. Watch that video there. That was a great show. This one, not so much. But look, we took a blow. But look, my name is Shomari Clarke, and I'm always watching that money. Always watching our crypto. Fuck. Well, at least the prices. I'll be watching my accounts better. So look, I love you guys. All of you. Every single one of you. And the battle goes on. The mission goes on. I'm not going fucking anywhere. I'm not going fucking anywhere. I'm staying right here in crypto land. And if I have to, I'll fucking just dump more money in. I'll just dump triple the amount that I put in last time, you fuckstick. You think you beat me? Ha ha! Bye! Oh, yeah. I'll just buy these dips more intensely. Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. I love you guys. All right. Again. We got to do this again because I yapped. Subscribe. Watch. Love you guys. Bang! Shomari Clarke. Always on duty. Over and out.